You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word. A 19th century German philosophy will be looking at how to say more useful and confusing German words. Zeitgeist. Zeit, so it's a ts sound like ts, although the t is not very obvious. Zeitgeist. Zeitgeist. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.